Hello and thank you for your purchase of the Innokin platform series Ares 2 Atomizer. The Ares 2 Atomizer is the official successor to the original Ares and will replace production of that atomizer. The Ares 2 is a joint collaboration between myself, Phil Basardo, Dimitri Agrafiotis, and of course, Innokin. The Ares 2 is based on feedback from the user base of the original Ares. Several changes have been made to improve the overall experience with the atomizer. Those changes include improved seals both top and bottom to reduce liquid and air leakage, providing you with a tighter mouth-to-lung draw, the ability to remove the top cap to replace the silicone fill port seal, a locking top cap similar to that found on the Zlide atomizer, detents on the main airflow control for a more precise setting, an additional 0.8mm air hole selection for those desiring an even tighter mouth-to-lung draw, and some changes to the build deck, including one we're really excited about, the cross airflow control. More on that in the next video. In addition to the changes, and also based on your feedback, we are now offering the Ares 2 in the 24mm version and the new 22mm version. This video tutorial series is designed to assist you in working with the new Ares 2. In this video, we'll go over the contents of the package. So, let's get started. Let's open the box and see what's included. The first thing you'll find is a card from me and Dimitri thanking you for your purchase. On the back of this card, you'll find a QR code. If you scan this QR code, it will lead you directly to these tutorial videos. Next, you'll find the Ares 2 atomizer sitting in a tray. Let's remove the tray for now. Underneath the tray, you'll find all of the accessories that came with the original Ares, which made it such a complete kit. The accessories include an additional non-locking mouthpiece, spare O-rings, an additional smoked glass tank section, a toolkit containing a Phillips and flathead tool, spare screws, the Dimitri tool for creating a spaced coil, and the Phil build tool for creating a touching coil at 3mm or 2.5mm, build materials including organic Japanese cotton, 26-gauge Canthal wire, and 2 pre-built 1-ohm Canthal coils, a spare top fill port silicone seal, and finally a vape band to protect your tank. The contents of each package is clearly and properly labeled. You'll also find an illustrated user's guide assisting you in building and using the Ares 2. The mouthpiece that's already installed on the Ares will lock the top cap and prevent it from opening. It needs to be removed first before opening the Ares for filling. If you don't like that feature, simply use the other included mouthpiece or a mouthpiece of your choice. When designing the Ares 2 alongside of Innokin, it was our goal to respond to your feedback and produce a cost-effective, quality mouth-to-lung rebuildable tank atomizer in an all-inclusive kit that was easy to build for both beginners and advanced users alike. We hope we've accomplished that for you. In the next video, we'll take a look at building and using the new Ares 2. Thank you for watching.